Hey, g'day, it's Chriso the Carrot. What I'm doing here is oh, you fool. What I'm doing here, everyone, is this niche for the bath. I'm waiting for Reese the plumber to come so he can fit off and all that sort of thing. All I can do today is put in these niches, this one over here for the shower, and then I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. Nah. Okay, so that one will have to go it's not a good idea to cut into my wall to fit my vanity cabinet inside the wall. This is a main support. It's for the walls going that way. It's an internal studs. So I don't want to cut into them. No, not a good idea. So this one will have to be fitted to the outside. So I'll make sure I've got some timber. I'll tell the owner that one. It's not a good idea to go cutting into a corner posts. Right, so that's fine. I take out that stud there, or cut through. I'll put a nog up there, and we'll laugh in there. Yes, it'll have to fit on the top of the tiles, this one. Right, so what I've done here, people, is how I've worked that out. The height, I'll show you. I'll just turn my laser on. Right, the bath, that's the finished floor height. The bath is 600 high. It's a freestanding bath, which is there. That's 600 to there. That's the top of the bath. That is about the height that Reese needs to put the taps in it. So, which is off that line, say about 400 up, which is there. So he'll be putting the taps through there. It gives me a little bit of wiggle room from there up to there. With that bottom plate in, that is at a little bit lower than 900. There, that mark is 900 there. And I've come down just a little. So going off my laser line, 630. That's 620. So that gives me heaps of room. I go up off that. If I come down 45 mil, for another, I'll put another piece of timber through there. That gives me a height of 320. So that's cool. Cool. I might even go up, say 20 mil. Yeah, I'll put my piece of timber through there with home and hose. I'll put another piece down there, and that's my niche for the bath. So I'll screw this off. I won't screw through there just yet. Reese has got to change all this pipe work. That's why I've got it uncovered. The owners want it repiped because there's been untold leaks in this whole house. This is only a cheapy DIY's, God, a Zito. Cheap as, but for the amount of times I use it, I don't need a DeWalt or Makita or anything fancy like that. Look what it does. Woo. These screw heads, though, are not Phillips. They are decking screws, which gives you a meaty tip and it doesn't slip. A big screw, I found, if it was a Phillips, it would spin too much. It was a pain. Can I put one through there? And miss the pipe. I'll soon know if I hit it. I'll have a gusher. That's cool. Rightio. I'll come back to you shortly. Stay tuned to Chris O.